Factory sealed PS2, 1 copy of Illbleed, CIB Fire Emblem, another copy of Illbleed, and a $1,000 package. Today's video is going to be epic.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? If you are new to the channel, my name is Amy. Don't mind my face, I just popped a huge zit on it, and we also have a really long car ride, so I don't feel like putting on makeup yet.
My name is Corbin, and I'm currently overpaying for gas.
Yickers! Oh my gosh!
$3.30 a gallon.
What are we doing today, Corbin?
So, today we are headed to Fort Wayne, Indiana to meet up with a fellow YouTuber and somebody that you all may find familiar to do a large video game trade. So as you saw, got some high-end items in here, and we're gonna get some very cool items for the game room and possibly an item that we could trade for a large video game collection or sell in the future, whatever, but it can be fun. Alright guys, picked up the Starbucks coffee. Boom. Been on the road for about 2 hours, got about an hour and a half left. Gonna hit the highway and listen to some tunes.
Where's that on?
That's weird, isn't it?
That's strange.
Huh.
Interesting.
How neat is that?
Travel time update. So we are about 20 minutes away from our destination location. I'm still not going to tell you who, what, when, where, and why we're doing or seeing.
Well, you just said when, 20 minutes away.
Okay, you know what I mean.
Where? We already told them it's Fort Wayne, Indiana. Why? We already told them we're doing a trade. But who? They do not know.
Okay, anywho. So, about 20 minutes away from Fort... Is it Fort Wayne? Okay, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yeah, you might be right. Yeah. Anywho, stay tuned, guys. This is going to be, I think it's going to be pretty fun, pretty interesting. Our back seat is going to be full. Hopefully our wallets will also be full. We shall see.
And hopefully we get some fulfillment.
What was that?
I don't know. I'm so done with that. There's some Vera Bradley signs though.
Wow.
That's a good brand to look out for when you're thrifting.
Vera Bradley. How interesting.
And Bob Evans, of course. You can't beat $7.99 dinner.
Dude, yeah, Bob Evans is like stupid cheap. I don't know why we don't start going there. They're actually pretty good. Guys, if you want to thrift your food, go to Bob Evans. Also, I did my makeup. Oh, something that I forgot to mention entirely was, as we were in the gas station not 5 minutes ago, this older lady comes up to me and she's like, I really like your jacket. And I was like, thanks, I got it from Goodwill. She's like, wow, I haven't been there in years. And I was like, yeah, I go almost every day. I pretty much shop there for my living. She's like, what? So I told her about reselling. She's like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. She asked me for my name and my number so she could contact me. And I was like, well, actually, I have a business card with my name and my number on it. So she's like, okay, I'm in this card. I was like, okay, let me go to my car and go get her one. And she was the funniest thing. It was so random, all because of a jacket. So I guess she's retiring soon, and she wants to speed up the process and get some extra cash in her hand. So I don't think those are gonna fit. I don't think those are gonna fit at all. Hi there.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh goodness. No camera actually.
Oh gosh. Is this gonna fit?
It's
They're big.
Very iffy.
Woo. That's why you do measurements.
Now we'll get them in there. We'll have to hang them out, but.
Oh man. Oh man, oh man.
Ooh, I love them.
I do too. Those are gonna be so sick.
Game Jam South shirt for next year.
Yeah, I know. We just got it, and this was like the only thing I had, so
I like
had to do it. Y'all want to check out these boxes?
Yeah,
let's do it. I'm under these guys. We have like a little YouTube channel and stuff like that, so make a little trade.
We had them out for like 10 minutes. This is the
people are
fifth
cycling.
car that's like slowly
Are these free? Like, I don't know what they're thinking.
Yeah, they're free, dude. Yeah, totally. Load them up.
Yeah, if you got a couple $1,000s worth of games,
Yeah.
they're free.
Yeah. It's funny.
So I think we talked
Straight up for that
we were
one.
good for straight up,
Yep.
and this is close for that one, right?
That's close, yeah. Because those are like 250, right? The ill bleeds.
Mm-hmm.
And then I haven't checked that recently. I'm sure you have.
I think this is right at 300, and I thought these were like 280 a piece,
Okay, that's
but maybe I'm wrong. I haven't looked. Let me try.
It's amazing how right now knowledge from 3 months ago is even outdated.
Yeah, I know.
Anything.
And these really tripped me up. He had some, like, obviously it's a reseal, but they had some really high quality reseals on some of those GameCube games.
You know, I got a Spyro in one of the big auction buys, and it was among a bunch of sealed games, and it looked like this. So I just opened it, and then after I opened it before I put the video out, and a bunch of people were like, "That's a real seal."
No.
So I opened a sealed game, and I was like,
How dare
I'm an
you?
idiot.
Wait, so
And I just sold it as very good use.
No,
I'm not
you
gonna lie,
didn't.
We just opened 2 Resident Evils for the GameCube that had that reseal.
So
Because I did my research and it wasn't the Y-fold.
yeah,
Like,
so
I don't know.
apparently on some of them, like I would be careful to check stuff like this, because the Spyro, they said like, yeah, that's how they sealed that one.
Devastating.
I had a lot of.
You just threw away.
I'm not saying that it was for Resident Evil.
yeah.
And that one would be more likely because that's not first party. Who makes that? I can't remember which publisher makes that game. But first party games all are going to be the Y-fold or whatever it is. And then there's some publishers that just do really weird looking
Maybe
seals
we're
like
good.
this. So you're probably fine.
I mean,
It probably wasn't real. How do you guys do this with Caleb, and like what do you expect out of these price wise?
Now it's like 40%.
40% of the
yeah.
sale price,
Mhm.
top line price. Okay. So, I mean, I would buy darn near everything. I just don't know how quickly we could come up with that. And I have a couple thousand in cash. But do you guys also have Venmo, PayPal?
Yeah.
If we go above that, okay. And you can pick out whatever you want to keep too, like.
Yeah. I know. I'm pretty sure there's a GameCube Godzilla game. It's not sealed, but I just want to keep that for the collection.
Yep.
That might be in another box since it's
Yeah.
not sealed.
I can't remember which box to put it back.
I'm pretty
into.
sure this is only sealed.
But I'll get out of your way. Go ahead and start that scene.
Okay, Mr. Cool. Are you excited? Do you think these are gonna fit?
Hell yeah. That's still the shocker.
Just adding them in my head as I go right now.
Okay, where are we at?
165 plus 32 is
Right there, guys.
97.
That sounds like me with math. I look at Corbin. What is this?
What's 7 plus 7? Red?
Dad.
Sorry, blue. 22. That's what my twins are almost 2 now.
Oh.
And I'll say, Gracie, what's your favorite color? And she'll go, yellow, pink, red. Like she just like kind of names them all off. And then you ask her the next day, and she doesn't know what her favorite color is.
That's
We'll
cute.
get there. I feel like it was
Well, no, you're 6'3".
6'6"?
Yeah, it's probably like 6'6".
Yeah.
6'5".
like 70 inches, so 6.
No.
10?
No, it's more 70.
Oh,
That's way more than
it
7.
was. Yeah,
76.
It's
I don't remember what I measured it
Math.
that one day. 23.
Just get all wrong dimensions.
Like, it's about 40 inches, I think. Yeah.
Leave it to the self-employed people to try to figure out math.
Right. All right, guys. So we got the first stack here. $270 for that stack, and we still got most of the box left here.
Got a ways to go.
So we'll try to empty their pockets as best we can.
Have you gotten stung yet? Did you get 7?
got 7. All right, I think I'm good.
29.
29.
It's probably all that Taco Bell.
It's my hair product.
Oh, that'll do it.
Okay, we're back.
1,800. We were at 12 for everything else. So 600 just to get out of the heat. I'm trying to get to where it would be about half of what these are.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
Yeah.
This bad boy is a.
That's kind of a wild card.
This is a we don't know, because you can see it. That's the seal from the actual sticker, but then this obviously looks like it was done by a 5-year-old. So
it's a bad looking seal, but see, I was telling them I had a Spyro game in one of my videos where I got some sealed GameCube games, and a bunch of people that know about seals commented about it and said that is definitely real. That's how they sealed that game. And like an idiot, before I put out the video, I opened it and sold it as very good. I opened it, I was like, wow, this is in really good shape.
this looks almost new.
Turns out it was real.
Yeah.
So some of these could be like that, but then at the same time, like, I don't know if this is an original seal, because apparently some of the third-party type publisher games have kind of crappy looking seals on them, and they're still real. So
That's what scares me about those 2 Resident Evil games, is because they were like perfect.
Yeah.
Like the seal was perfect.
And guess who decided to open them?
The back
we've
seal
all been
was
there.
like
We've all been there.
it was perfectly lined up with either side.
Yeah.
And I was like, it says pre-owned, it has a pre-owned sticker on it, so I was like, it's got to be pre-owned, right? But then I opened it, disc was brand new, like never been played with. I don't know. That's
Help
what
us
scared
out.
me.
Help us out, everybody.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do 1,800.
Okay.
Yeah. And take the box too.
Sweet.
Yeah, the box is free.
Yes.
So
You should charge him $50 for that box.
Normally I travel with like tubs and stuff, but you know, I had 2 kiosks in my van this time, so
Yeah.
no tubs.
This is gonna be.
Everything's just thrown.
oh, you know what? I don't think we even explained it. So we were trading them a couple of games and a sealed PS2 for those 2 kiosks over there. I don't think we explained that at all. So these are the 2 kiosks. One will end up in the game room, and then the other will end up either being sold, or we're gonna trade up for someone's collection. Show Dash what's gonna happen with these. All right, I have a question. Who are you guys?
Well, I'm Chase from
And
Chase
I'm-
After the Right.
God, you know I'm going to do it.
All right, let's try that again.
After the right price.
I'm Chase,
I'm Thane.
and we are from Chase After the Right Price. It's nice to meet you guys and make a deal. And we wanted to talk a little bit about kind of why we're able to make this deal.
Yeah.
So you guys primarily are eBay resellers.
Oh yeah.
So on sealed games from like the 360 era, there's kind of a bump in price on a lot of them on Amazon. So basically what we did is scan through them, a bunch of them, most of them, and then found that after fees value, and I paid half. But on a game like a random 360 Resident Evil 6, that might be like $40 after fees on Amazon, where that might sell for $25.
I think that spider's on me, bro.
It's your turn now. Well, so one of the things that, because obviously you guys are probably wondering, well, why don't they just sell it themselves?
Yeah,
Well, Chase has been doing Amazon for how long?
like 8 years or so.
And there's a process to getting started on Amazon. There's a lot of
Yes.
ungating that you have to go through, get approvals to sell certain brands, certain games, stuff like that.
Yep.
So Chase has a decade almost of doing that, where these guys are primarily eBay.
Yeah, and to get started on Amazon, there's a lot of processes. So they're cool with me paying like eBay prices basically, or in some cases higher, maybe a little lower in other cases, but it balances out to about what they could get selling individually. And I'll still be able to double up or close to it, and it's a beautiful win-win reselling situation. So that's what we like in this community, and that's how it goes. That's how it goes round and round when everybody keeps winning. So
Exactly, and we get to make a new connection and some new friends.
New friends.
How nice is that?
Pretty nice.
How neat.
that's pretty neat.
That's very neat.
You can tell it's an aspen tree because the way it is.
We're very familiar.
I like him.
I'm gonna actually push.
It's now time to see if these guys will even be able to get these in.
I have that other angle.
What?
These controllers make me nervous. Can you Chase come over here?
Yep,
You gotta
lift it over.
Okay, thanks for the warning. Sorry. He's just like, see ya.
Bye-bye.
Update. We got both kiosks in. Will this door shut? No, it won't. But do we have straps? Yes, we do. All right, so we ended up getting everything in there. Secured it as best as we can. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it is stuck to a spare tire. What are your thoughts on that?
Shout out Thane for crawling under there and doing the hooking.
Thanks.
Well
Got
done,
you.
babe.
Got you.
All right, guys, it has been an absolute blast to,
Awesome.
first of all, meet you guys, take your money, and all that good jazz.
Yeah, this was
We
awesome.
cleaned out our van.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate the space we now have in the garage that you guys allowed us to make room for. All the sealed games.
It's been a good time.
Yeah. Safe travels home.
You
Yeah,
too.
you all too. It was a long drive. If y'all didn't know, I think you all drove 4 hours.
We drove 2.
2? Okay.
Yeah.
They drove 4 hours though.
Yeah, we drove 4.
for the video. They drove
4 hours round trip.
Yeah. And we drove
Clickbait.
what? Ours was 3.
No, ours was like 4 hours and 20 minutes.
Oh, dang. Well, thanks for meeting us further.
No, absolutely. Just-
Yeah, no problem,
You
Bob.
guys are great.
Yeah, no problem.
But we may do some videos in the future. Don't quote me on it, but we have some ideas lined up. So we'll
Possibly.
see how schedules work out, how the transportation works out. But yeah.
When you guys have 100,000 your private jet, we'll just make it happen.
Yeah, no, yeah, for sure.
Oh, yeah. We got you. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hopefully you learned something. You probably didn't, but that's okay. Go watch our other videos and you will. Make sure to subscribe to these guys. Chase after the right price. Chase after the right price.
Oh, that was hard.
Literally iconic right there. But yeah, if you guys have not subscribed already, make sure to go and check out their channel because they're freaking amazing and they're super fun.
Thanks.
They're great.
Appreciate it. You guys are pretty great yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you. Check. Even though people
You
in the
hear that,
comments.
People like us.
We're
They're
good
nice
people.
That's that way to say it.
And as always, guys,
We'll be chatting.
Whoop.